Munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Jordan Marshall, chwipio hon I mewn. Ac mae Brad Young wedi rwydo i'r ymwelwyr. Y cychwyn gweitha posib i'r Cofis. Griffith. Young ceisio reid da'n bwysa. Griffith mynd yn hir. Chwilio am Bradley. Cyffyrddiad hyfryd gan Sean Bradley. Dyna chi gol gan Sean Bradley. Oedd y cyffyrddiad gynta'n berffaith. Ac yr ergyd heibio Connor Roberts I gefn y rwyd. Bel I fyny as Young, Holden. Pas dda gan Redmond, Chiselwich heibio Griffith ar ergyd. Heibio I Lewis Webb ar ei poster agosa. Ac mae Adrian Chiselwich wedi roed y Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. Probl, Marshall a Holden lawr y llinell. Cyffyrddiad hyfryd. Bale tuag at y canol. Ac mae Chiselwich wedi sgorio ei ail gol mewn llai na 2 funud. Ac o fewn munuda mae'r gêm yma I weld wedi mynd I ffwrdd oddi wrth Caernarfon. Probl, Holden, Young a Smith efo fo. Young. Allan at Holden. Chiselwich efo fo. Chiselwich i'r canol. Ac mae Brad Young wedi sgorio ei ail o am y noson hefyd. Ac o fewn munuda o sgorio'r drydedd. Mae'r Seintiau rwan wedi cael ei 4edd gol am y noson. Smith yn troi. Heibio I Donahue. Smith ar ergyd. Arbediad gwych gan Lewis Webb yn y gol. Wel, nath Leo Smith yn dda yma greu'r cyfle iddo fo hun. Goset yna o flaen Smith. Pas yn rhyddhau Donahue. Donahue at Clark. Clark ddim yn cam sefyll. Cyfle yma I Zach Clark. Wel, o fe Zach Clark yn siomedig efo hynna. Holden, pas hyfryd allan at Chiselwich. Daniels yn neud yr hediad tu allan I Chiselwich. Chiselwich dod tu fewn. Tri eisiau canfod Brad Young. A mae Brad Young yn canfod cefn y rwyd. Ac o fewn 4 munud o'r ail hanner, Brad Young yn cael ei hat-trick am y noson. Pas llac Marshall, Bale tuag at Rory Holden a peniad Holden I gornel isa'r rwyd. Ac mae hi'n grasfa yma ar yr ofal. Daniels. Holden. Bale ar draws a Hudson a'r peniad heibio I Lewis Webb. A Hudson yn penio 7th gol y Seintiau Newydd am y noson. Danny Williams. Tu fewn at Holden. Holden, sy'n cyfle mergyd yma. Holden! Na chi gol gan Rory Holden, sgorio ei ail gol o am y noson. Ac mae'n 8 yma ar yr ofal.
Well, Craig, Caernarfon away on a Friday night in the rain, potential banana skin. You've got to be over the moon with that tonight.
Yeah, without a doubt. It's fantastic. It's a great result. You know, we know how tough it is to come here. We know how tough a team Caernarfon are. You know, it's only 2 weeks ago they drew with Caernarfon at Caernarfon. It's only the last 2 games we played against them. We went 1-0 up in both games. And I think we won 3-1 in the end in one of them. And even the season before, you know, I think Dec McManus come off the bench to score a goal to win 1-0. So it's always historically been a really tough place to come, you know, but we were fantastic tonight. Take away maybe a 5-7 minute spell when they scored just before, just after, but then we then got fully control of the game again, scoring 2 or 3 goals in a short period of time.
Yeah, we knew coming here it was going to be a tough game, and look, in the first 30 minutes I thought they were a better team, and then we scored 2 or 3 on the break, and look, we took our goals well.
Was that the key 5-10 minutes tonight, once that was over? Done with the game's over then, yeah? For definite. Look, we knew when we come here we have to dig in. Like, they're a good side, they're good at what they do, they have good players, especially attackingly, and I thought on transition tonight we were very good and took our chances. Dwi'n gwybod bod hynna ddim yn canlyniad wyt tisio na'n byd fel la, ond wyt ti'n weithio yn erbyn y Seintiau, ydy o weithio yn gem oce, cael hwnna allan o'r ffordd a canolbwyntio ar y tîmau eraill illa?
Ydy, mae hwn yn mynd i frifo, a dylse bod o'n brifo bob un hyn a fewn o fanna fyd. Achos ddechrau wedi cyfranogwyr yn heiddi hynna, dyn nhw'n talu i weld hynna. Ond ia, da ni'n haws o teimlo'n sori just yna. Mae gen i gem anodd ar adra eto fa mawsos nesaf, a mae rhaid ni gweithio'n gafod o'n training a prepario am hwnna.
We've been really good lately. Well, been really good all season. So, you know, to come here and win so comfortably and probably, to be honest, missed a couple of opportunities, then it's credit to the players, and they've got to take a hell of a lot of credit because they've had a great performance tonight.